Hello. What's going on, everybody? So, we are officially in Washington. A little update. We are now driving on a road called Chicken Dick Road.
No.
What is it? It's Chicken Dick Road.
It's kitchen.
Oh, I'm sorry. Kitchen Dick Road. That's so much better. Kitchen Dick Road. That was Chicken Dick.
No.
Sure it's not Chicken Dick? I think it's Kitchen. Fine. It is Kitchen
You can
Dick.
show the sign. Actually, there's no sign, so no.
Let's see. So Kitchen Dick Road in Washington, going to
The lighthouse?
going to the White House.
Lighthouse. God, lighthouse.
My hair is so good, by the way.
Apparently. And your spelling.
Yeah, spelling's still
Oh,
working on that
there's
too.
a turn here.
There's a turn here.
Yeah.
So yeah, trip so far has been awesome. We are on day.
I don't even know.
Day 10.
We have 9 days left.
9 days left.
No, it hasn't even been a week. We left on Monday.
So day
7 days.
7 days. Okay,
Yeah.
7 days. 7 days. 7 days. And then yeah, so far it's been awesome. We stayed last couple days stayed in Manchester Park, right? And spent 2 or 3 days there. That was a cool place to stay at. So far the plan is we are going to go all the way down to Olympic National Park, stay at a campground, and then probably go explore around until yesterday. And gosh, gotta say, off-roading in Washington is very different than off-roading in California. Trails are a lot tighter, and I'm talking like really tight. Like we were bringing in, huh?
2 hands on the steering wheel.
I have 2 hands on the steering wheel.
Not when you're doing this.
I know how to drive. We're driving for the last, I don't know how many hours on this trip.
You're
We're good.
fine. That's a cool house.
Anyway, so off-roading here in Washington, definitely very tight. Super glad I have not gone with a bigger truck, because there's a couple of times where we had to bring in the nice foldable mirrors on the Ford and fold them in, so we didn't take them out. And even then, there's a couple times I literally only had this much clearance on both sides. So yeah, now I really understand why everybody up here drives Jeeps for when they go off-roading. So yeah, but so far trip is going awesome. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the photos and stuff like that. We've had service in and out a couple times, but we should have service, I think, for a little while. We are going to go and do Forks and go to the Twilight thing.
Hey, I've been there. We don't have to go.
We're up here, might as well check it out. So yeah, we're going to go do that, and then yeah.
Camp in the Ho Rainforest.
Camp in the Ho Rainforest.
H-O-H, not H-O-E.
Yes. And then, yeah, see what we find along the way.
Well, we found the ocean.
We found
Finally.
the ocean.
So that's cool.
Found the ocean. So, yeah, keep you guys posted. Take care. See you guys in the next update.